A is for apple. B is for good. C is for brown. D is for oh. E is for an elephant. Very good. F is for fish. G is for giraffe. H is for hats. Okay. I is for igloo. Very good. J is for jackstone. Very good. K is for kiss. L is for lion. M is for monkeys. Very good. N is for net. What is the net used for? Yeah, what will you do with the net? Yeah, catch a fly, butterfly. And O is for? Oh, P is for? O is for owl. P is for? Paint. Q is for? Queen. R is for? Rocket. S is for? Sailboat. T is for? Turtle. U is for? An umbrella. V is for? Violin. W is for? Wow, it's very good. X is for? Xylophone. Y is for? Z is for? Z is for? Y is for yo-yo. Z is for? Zebra. Very good.